Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick Hill TV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick Hill TV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings to the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I first, and all things that's good. You see, welcome all viewers and subscribers. See, and viewers, if you like the content and things like that, man, subscribe and make you grow the thing. You know, see, don't know we not gonna agree on everything. You see, we make you keep it civil and respectful. You see. And find out what I want. When I jump and accuse one another, I don't know, might not be even factual when I know say the evidence is there for even research and look what I want and what was said or what is being said. You see, the intent is what counts, you see, and the devil want to reach right now at any means necessary time and all hands on board. We don't have the time for petticoat, nobody, You see, because again, the people them in a power, we know said them know what them a do. The people them when know what go on is really us down at the dirty here. You see that then so the ignorance there. That's why them evil they up at top can triumph. You see. And I like said, the people them inactive because them know and now act. The people them don't know the gravity and the deprivation where the system have structure in front of them. You see it. But anyway, we want to make a shout out or a sound to our go on in a garden and down a back of west there. You see? Because you see, hey, I tell you something. You see, no matter where, some man say no matter who I push it and no matter what them raising, Dudus vex for what go on. You see, that don't go against all of the qualities, all of the strategies, all of the tactics where the man employ to ensure a certain level of stability. I know some politicians and some security officers and whoever in the more to read between the lines and nobody go on like say, because someone go on like on prefer Jamaica now as it is, than when Dudus them did I run it. I want to go on like on prefer it when Dudus them did I run it than when the hot steppers them did I run it back in the 70s. You see, and a 3 different time. 3 different nature of badness and gangsterism are going on. Enough time I mention the step of them from the 70s and them principles and I couldn't know say the man them was a political force to be reckoned with and them own. Right in our university me back in regards to the step of them. Now come to know again with some more argument from the item, some more lessons, some more knowledge. You see, I feel no way. It's not done. Because I tell you say as it was a political movement, just that. The man them a revolutionary fighter, the man them never used to apply themselves or align themselves with a political party or the type of politics where they go on the ground at the day. A different things the man them study. Yeah, so a whole heap of people might be persuaded and seduced by the capitalism system or the communist system where over the years were tried to be introduced in Jamaica. You see, but again, like me I said, hot steppers we are talking about. You see, we leave the hot steppers them with them for the time being. And we are come up a Dudus them. See? You see, well, the youth them a garden come like say them not realize. Livety come like you never did it. We can understand Titi man and them other little man there. Bamati them and them, because them look younger. You see? So even though they might be alive and experience certain things, they might not smart enough to discern certain things to themselves. Them still need people to tell them what did I go on back in them time there. You see, you think it was let me tell you something, you see, the nature of politics in Jamaica to keep us divided, and that's the only way it can rule, and the structure that feed it, because again, it don't do nothing what it's supposed to do or can do to enable the development of the people, have to benefit the people. You know, a lazy politics are going on in Jamaica. You know, see, Jamaica can afford to do a lot more. You know, see, but when them keep the people them divide and keep them in a chaos like what una go on with between una self, una whole of the whole of una family, una work for the politician, and do the politician them work for them by maintaining the chaos so that them can use full action and stereotypically apply for aid and them thing there from abroad. And when them use them aid they do. You know, see the police force them again a development and a better no more money if they apply themselves or anything like that. Eh? The police force stagnated under the same thing, replay itself, the same type of support. Every budget time, that it, you know, we are just the same little media type thing. The police are not comfortable in Jamaica. You know, see it. You know, see it. So, Babylon them spend on them to secure them and protect them against the impending evil we're about to unleash on the populace. You know, see. So, you know, I do a free job for Babylon by maintaining the chaos so that them can go apply for free money and beg money all over the world to come fight back. You know where them Dave not do. Them just allow them make no continue to do what them do. While them bank the free aid where them get for fight crime, you know, them foreign account and all them thing there. Them Dave say that thing come go no down and go down the outside. Man, they have to pay Dudus for them disruption there if them did need or see the need for them disruption there any at all. And some serious millions at all cost. You know, see, because openly Dudus are telling them about the relationship where them are going to mash up for him and now. You know, see, and them have to go value that for the amount of time where it will take for men back just for this violation where it might cost for them benefit. You know, see, and them would have to pay. You know, see, it always go your way. You know, see, me and every man a friend. The most money Dudus make, when I don't realize now, I want to tell you, come like the most money Garden make out of politics, you know. But any gangster in Garden never make out of politics. Yeah. At Dudus, you know, legitimate money. Dudus. In a PNP time. You know, see it? Dudus linked to the universal. Dudus was more of a reflection of a hot stepper type of nature. In a modern time. Than most man across the board. No, most man was and that's why him did so successful. That's why he was one of the most successful done. You know, see it, and still a government credit him with that. Done business, even though him flex to that hot step of nature because him explore, experiment, and revolutionize the concept. You know, see it. Them thing, them action, you know, nothing familiar. I can be, you know me I say, compared. So well then them conducive to the style or the intent of Dudus leadership. You see, them are definitely the opposite. No way with Dudus and you can't tell me say Dudus proud of you know that. You know that. You know what I do. It's like when I try to prove a point so when the man come back, he have to go wall him corner. I don't know what the things now. When it done no good, I just run a little blood cleat black, a little high rise building, I go just eat, run. And dep and eat. I say, yeah, you run the place. I place this. You see it? You come like that to the intent for that with the strategy they want to use, Rasta. You see it? You don't realize what's going on with Dudus. Eh? You see Dudus is supersede direction and press button business from politician. And I them think they don't have fight for them level they don't have fight for go back to you now. You know they haven't dead there so yet. You know, see, kind of politician now come reason with them right now. Right now, you know, irrational. Right now, them have some primitive being, primitive bad man. You know, see, them a negotiator have no dealings with type of people like you know, unless them are telling you to behave on yourself, or else you know, are dead. You know, see, yeah, as a politician dealing so-called done like Uno and bad man like Uno. When them ready, especially when them get pressure from a higher power, from the cause nothing what do not affect them pocket, it benefit them pocket more. You know, see, and when certain things happen like the other day, a couple tourists start dead now. Well, one of them and a tourist in a Canadian, but him come on vacation, him a family at Jamaica. You know, see it, and the other day one bleach out, one return black, did it like the next day and turn black after him get wanted for the next man. You see, that he's a white man that. Now Babylon go and soon start ask questions because the youth them are getting pertinent with them crime, you know. You see, even though it usually happen from time after time, youth them not hesitate anymore and consider ramifications like the youths of old. You see, when I draw down no extra attention upon themselves. The youths look like them kill all to America and for the American army come down, they come bust it off of them so that them can say, yeah, and me first call the American army, make the American army come in the country. Them used to do that. Come see man film himself the other day, yeah, kill man. Never say anything like that. And I like somebody film him and him accidentally get caught on CCTV, you know. Man film himself, a killer man. Me deeply, yeah. Me if I'm strong, a good source me have to hear from say a real gunman do it for true, you know, for me believe, you know. All along me I tell myself, say, is a member of the security force do that brazen act of violence, you know. I can't believe say a gunman that really do himself that. I couldn't believe, you know, see it. But anyway, yeah, I saw it go. Them say, yeah, you're a gunman for true. To be fair, a gunman for true. You know, see it. So them level of criminality, they rasta. You know, see it. Like the man, them, a trend-setting type of, you know, wickedness. I go on, because I now see it a benefit, no, general people. A one and two individual them think that benefit, and when who benefit from all them type of crime there, you can't hear them, can't jump and sting for no joy or show any sign of gratitude. You see, because at the end of the day, it's a crime. You know, see, and you better keep quiet with that and stay hiding with it. You know, see, so in a lot of cases, again, we don't really see it benefiting, it beneficial. You know, see, but come like a data go on, Rasta. It come like a data go on, man. You know, see, the man them get extradited out of the country. Zeeks get sent to prison. Whatever Zeeks got prison for, a long time he might do that. A long time. Me, you see, whatever them, I could put it simple. Another simplest crime, you see the way them deal with Zeeks, it's hard for me to believe, say, Zeeks do that. Me feel like, say, that was a whole ply for discipline some man where fly too high. See? None of them suspicion and none of them things never happen before Zeeks go back to the politician and Dudus and the whole garden run out in defense of the whole thing. Not that me I blame them or I say either thing that them keep up, but again, that was like the straw that broke the camel back. You know, see, when them rush at the security force like that. You know, see, it's like everybody I look upon a big disgrace that cause always some man go on the queen of the other state for down there, you know. You know, see, she like fear slave them there out of control, you know. You know, see, she can't have that. You know, see, so one phone call and the whole thing have to fix up. You know, see. You know, see. So them fix up Zeeks. You know, see, who she send come down the Mark Shields. And soon after he draw the wickedest car them from Zeeks somewhere and can't come back from. All of the capital car them a street crime where you know say a man can't come back from. You know, see. So the defense, the impending revolution or the defense would ensue, given the facts so well and from what went on before would have been an indicator at the time when them rolling with the weed and Kanga Central would have indicated what would have been to come. They would have to definitely cover that with the gay accusation. You know, see, or they would have just be so fortunate that Zeeks is a gay man and at that time it come out and at that time them find it out and them publicize it at that time. So that's by a time like that with a man that's such an influential figure get well for a questionable crime like that, or obviously something we're not going to accept given the nature at the time. You see, so for prevent, and obviously that would have prevented any form of community revolt or anything like that. You know, see them sort of allegation there. So all of them things are suspicious and look like a very familiar type of approach from an English perspective to me. You see, English people are left no base uncovered, you know. See, And a Mark Shields must come down there. So everything look questionable to me. Not in the sense that man no guilty or man guilty or anything like that. Just the sense that all the evidence just pan up, just come, you know me I say? Yeah. See, Dudus now is another case again. You know, see, all of a sudden Dudus wanted for some things when no get charged for all no get tried for all no. Even though them say take a plea deal and plead guilty from early out and take a lighter sentence and thing like that. You know, see, but again, after the thing them when supposedly charged for, when we think about them, me say, again, now reasonability, a man can tell you whatever he want to tell you. You know, see, every sentence come with a certain amount of time where the judge have to work with it. You know, see, every offense, the sentence come with a time frame where you have to work with it. So, for the things them where them I say, him want it for in America, I don't know if it would have accumulated to a 20-year incarcerated period before parole. You know, see, yes, it can come to 20 years and all and think about would he have deserved to be given the full extent of 20 years by a judge and things like that. Wouldn't they have been a, you know, we just ask. We just brainstorm, we just question certain things because we're not bright. A sidewalk, we learn to read. You know, see, so when nobody come over here, come accuse you and abuse you and go like they want to bully you with them big PhD. You have a demographic out there where I ask the same question, them like, I Rasta. So no help we out. Stop being selfish with the knowledge we don't know, like when I expect we to know the things that we don't know. As if we don't know everything where everybody else out there know. Or the other people out there don't know more than know. We don't have to ask questions about certain things, so only reach one of them. We're upon the same path there to Rasta. See? So I want to know how them things go with Dudus. I know all of a sudden just quiet down and, you know, So I see it as a direct move to quiet down the type of danship where they are going at the time. You see, because the type of danship they are going at the time, it did kind of break down some bag wire, a very soon, you know. You know, see, very soon, Rasta. You know, you say, probably just they dance a Rockford. Probably just they dance a jungle and all them things there. I saw the atmosphere that take time. Come, yeah, Dudus is a, you don't know, is a man of reserve and stay on himself for the garden and all. You know what I say? But to again, him open up garden to everybody and everybody a got garden. You see, there's no telling, say, him wouldn't start other people place to go hang out and all them could think there publicly. You see? You see? Because, again, no matter how a man want to hide, eventually, you don't know, so them things that go. You see? You grow. See? So at them level, they are flexed, at them sort of, you know, see, the man, they never did a cage up themselves and go on like them one barrier in and join a wire fence and a bag wire fence, especially in a West Kingston Rasta, where the man them amongst them one another, where every man, you know, see, like the man them forgot them foundation, and the foundation is not like the foundation last any long time ago. You see, like even I, where the hot step of them, I lost the connection with the hot step of them, because you don't know things stay over time. Babylon run the whole of the man them out of Jamaica and murder with them for murder. I say we're going to talk about them. You see, because Babylon never get to kill the half of them, you know. And recently Babylon threw one more of them in a prison, you know. Cat. Throw cat in a prison without an explanation after so many years. Cat run away and left the country and come back now as an old man. And see, I must one of them poop a cat kill or accused of killing. Now understand that. You see, when we know say all of them crime there and them conviction that was politically motivated from back in the days. You see, we want to examine cat case some more, you know, because cat a big man. You see, cat a big man Rasta. We want to know what going on with cat. You see, because regardless of how you want to say, nice me I read a book, you know, where I tell you say 90% of them conviction the back in them days that was right and proper questionable Rasta. You see it? You see it? Enough of the man them can't even read all the statement them when we give them for sign the confession them and all them thing there. So we are exposed, you want to know what going on with cat, you know. Want a man reach out to me when no cat, you know. Big man from big at stepper from back in a day star where he run and go to Cuba with the man him come back and come back. Me say Rocky set him up. And make him get bite and go back at GP. You know, see it, big area thing that want to know what go on. You know, see it. Yes, Rasta. And them sort of tendency, the man. The place that run under. But come like some bad mind boy down the man where I live the whole of them life. To try to prove, say, them worthwhile. Let me tell you something, man. You have to just be on yourself, Rasta. You can't accumulate what Dudus accumulate. You don't have the stamina. You don't have the headpiece to do it. Sit and prove every day over and over. Every day you do the same thing over and over. Digging the place deeper and deeper in the trench of divide. You dig it deeper and deeper with your actions. And me say, some of you deserve the space around you know. You see it, because you not just like furniture. You see it, you don't really have no substance. You see it. One need to prove the pattern already set, the standard already set, reach. You see it, all you have to do is just come back and dialogue and maintain the thing. Matter of fact, every man a family. You see it, disappointed in a Livety Rasta. Me not tell a lie. You see it, not tell a lie. Disappointed Rasta. You see it, and I build the strive, you know. And I build the strive done build. You know, see the damage already done. I know me do the damage. We never advise or inspire a war with Tivoli and Baka West. You know, see, and me if you do them thing there. And me if you do them thing there, you know. But then, you know, I eat that thing that now keep up as the place is nice. And right now the place have the potential for come back as nice as it was. I mean, I at least did have the potential because it never take nothing. The love was there. The love was always there. You know, see it. Just make the thing remain. The man is the man. Man not dead. The man not dead away. You know, see it. Man still a commune. And a commune. You know, see it. I eat that thing that Rasta. And I appreciate love that Rasta. That has some hype up. Attention seeking thing. The man them down there go on with. I thought the top man them in a yard. You know see, the man them cross the road that do the same thing too. You know see, but again, I who have the most influence and I who have the most resource. Who have, should have taken the most responsibility, which is the high road. You know see, yeah. Like I said, the pattern done set. And the nature of the whole dispute is there, where some man say, boy, if I was the general, things would have been different and everything would have balanced. But because I'm not the general, I don't make man know the same principle of the whole thing. But you know, some man just all I gonna live them life approve badness. Yo, from here all when you reach 13 and when you're in your 30s and you're still bad man, I run up and down with strap and I inspire certain things. Yo, you're a fool, you know. Yeah, man. When you reach them age, man, if you're guitar, if you're balance out thing, you know, kind of strive. Oh, you still in them age, you know, see the benefit from strive. Strive like them there. You see, but any day, all a man from the opposition can draw a card from you and send you back to prison, who are going to be soldier going to beat you again. Like, There's some man that learn Rasta. Regardless no matter how much suffering you go through, no ego and the main problem. When you want the name call and want to be the man. And the wickedest thing, all the man them where you try to emulate, who not dead, I suffer. All the man them where you try to be better than and bigger than, who not dead, I suffer. Watch it, Livety. Watch it, Rasta. Watch it, man. You now come to the youth them right, Rasta. I know anyway they do us the right, you know. You must see you as a waste man. If you not see you, I mean, no, the man when me know, for observe from afar, must I look upon you as a waste man, Rasta. Yes, I. Share, like, and subscribe and make it reach them because them need for know.